मैं दिया
ट्रेडमिल का हो गया?
हाँ
This on, sitting is on.
No, very good. You are holding the kettlebell. So you
I can't, I really can't. It's so hard for me to do till about middle of February. I can't. I'm going to flag off a marathon. You know, it's a stress engineer. Do it, that's not. I can't strictly all my workouts every single day having back. Mix up my weights with burpees, jumping jacks, running. It's very hard for me now. Now I mix it up with abs. I mix it up with some leg exercises wherever I do. How high does it go?
You can get it like this one.
That heavy?
Yeah, we do the American one, not the Russian, where you go nice and heavy. It's 8.
That one you only use.
Yeah, that one is 6. Yeah.
Very light.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
It just looks big. Oh, this is a good one for photographs, I must say. Maybe I'm carrying like I'm carrying something.
So nice and down. Yes, pressing on the pelvic. Good. Excellent. Good. Very nice. Go. 3. Come on. 4. Keep going. 5. Good. 6. Very nice. Go. 7. Come on. 8. Go. 9. Come on. 10. Go. 5 more. Give me 5. 4. Come on. 3. 2. One more time. Stay where you are. Back. You walk. Come. Walk with me. Walk. Okay. Go down. One ear button, one line. You're going to left. Okay. And walk your hand up. That's excellent. Come on. Go down again. 5 of them. Good. One ear button, one line. Perfect. Up. Good. Go 3. 2 more times. Okay. Now here, you're going to do this and you're going to come on top now. Come on, a plank walk. Yes, alright. Go down. And up again. Body and button one line. And up. Good. Go down. Okay, and you're going to hold down. Go onto your forearm and hold. Yes, and hold. Drop your back down. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and up. Good.
One, I'm not jumping.
Sorry?
I'm not jumping.
Yeah, you're not jumping.
I have to. It's very hard not to, for me not to. Because jumps are very much a part of my movement.
Take a breather. We'll do something else.
I'm ready.
You're ready with something else? Okay. I will do something else. What are you going to do? You're going to go down and you're going to do a Brazilian twist. Okay, so you go down again.
Yeah.
Come on. Go.
I've done this before.
You can only keep your hand on the mat. Yeah. Only keep your hand on the mat.
Hand on the mat.
Yeah. Okay, and you twist. Nice and deep. You're going to come nice and deep. Okay, down. And deep down. Yes, twist more. No, you have to get the knee. Your elbows will slightly be bent, okay? You get it to your right hand, okay? That's it. Get it in front. Get it in front. Good. That's it. Go. Come on, 3. That's better. Go. Drop your butt down when you come back. Good. Come on, 5. Nice and deep down. Good. Go 2 more times. Good. 1 more. Excellent. Up.
डिप्ले पे खड़े मत आना
Punch, go back. I'm not jumping. I'm not going to jump. That burpee jump. Step, forward, kick.
थोड़ा पीछे
क्या नहीं मेरे लिए नया है ये इसका फोटो मत तुमको आता नहीं है मैं सीख रही हूँ Will you start speaking? It's okay? Good. This leg is pointed out. One leg, I'm just going to do the other leg because, stretch, relax your toes, extend forward and hold it. Yes. Waiting it for 4 counts and you can slowly come back. Lie on your back. Flex both legs up, cross your right leg at the back of your leg, left hand out, left hand out. How did that go? So they get the close? Okay, we'll change the other leg. Good. You feel the stretch? Yeah. That's it. You want to do it? You don't mean to candle like put my legs over. You want to do it? Okay, come. Hold the legs up. I have to put my shirt in now because it will come up to my face otherwise. You want to put it from the back also? Sure. Hold it up. Am I straight? I've always wanted to know, am I straight? Yes, you are. Okay. Yes, you are. Can I leave you? Hold on. Slowly go back. Go down. Hold. More down. Almost there. Got the leg. Perfect. Relax. Good.
Can I help you back again now?
No.
Come back.
I do this every day. But is my body straight?
No, it's slightly up.
Yeah.
Now.
Now it's straight?
Now it is.
Up photo low. Up body
अब
straight.
अब फोटो लीजिए स्ट्रेट है बॉडी मैडम का
आ गया ना ये जय
ये देखो ये चीटिंग है, मैं चीट नहीं करती.
कितनी पार्टी हो कहाँ पिक्चर है
These are very Yeah.
And side lateral. On your way up, you come. It's an action. You're down on your way up, you come up. You come up and then you do a side lateral. Okay?
Oh, it's not.
Yes, so you go down on your way up and you do a side lateral.
मैम थोड़ा सा पीछे थोड़ा सा
So nice and deep down.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right? And then you way up. Perfect. Excellent. Good. And down you go again and a raise. Good. Done. Another variation. Do a squat to press. Go nice and deep down and then go to press and deep. Excellent. Good. Perfect. Good. Right. Okay, that's it. We do one more. That's it. Keep the dummy down. They're coming up. Go nice and deep down. This way. Lift and turn. And this comes up. Right. And then down you go. Perfect. Good. Only belly needs to take it more inward. Yeah. Excellent. That's nice one. Good. And this. Good. Down. And up. Yes. Good. Do one side of the abs.
Then I want to do the other side.
मारे क्या मुझे
Do that side. Now this one.
मारे क्या
This side.
मुझे
Don't place you're losing the tension of this thing. Don't place it to the
Don't place it down.
Yes. Yes. Perfect. You're resting your muscle. Very nice. Good. Perfect.
Right, every day. Here's a 10-pound plate.
On top, you come to here. Twist to this side. Go down.
फील्ड में आ रहा है
Yes. No. Elbows will bend and nice and
Oh,
squeeze.
here?
Yes. And you go down. You squeeze. Right. Down again. Squeeze. One down. Now. Go down. One leg. Yes. Bend. Now. Bend this so that you don't get a pressure on your back. Bend this. Now this one be in the air. This one be in the air. This will be in the air. No. You pull your knee with your chest. Or you come over here. Okay. That's it. Perfect. Come on. Go. 2. Excellent. 3, 4, and 5. Do the other side. 5 the other one. Pull 5 and open up. 4, good. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, great. Leave the ball. Good. 3, 4, and so now down. When you pull now, I want your feet to come, or you're going to push it, okay? This way.
Bicycle.
Yes, bicycle, yes. With that elbow to this way.
Yeah, bicycle.
Okay, come, start, go. 2, very nice, good one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, go to that side and I'll show you what to do. Face the camera. One line, straight. Yes, and squeeze. That's it. Come on, good. Very nice, keep going. Good. 3, good. 4, and 5. Excellent. Do this side now.
straight yes perfect good one
मंदिरा जी आप
just hold it
What do you do with this stuff?
Can you face that? Yes. Face the camera.
फिर एक बार
What is supposed to happen? How is it supposed to happen?
पैर टूटना
Flat? Pose करती हूँ आपको फिर फोटो तो ठीक से मिलेगा।
नहीं उठा के तोड़
मारो मारो
मंदिरा मंदिरा थोड़ा फेस
This is a bit tight for me, but never mind.
जाना है
For a picture at least.
जाऊँ कब पूरा
Flat back, right?
दीदी मागे ना देख लो थोड़ा पीछे फ्लैश आ रहा है
थोड़ा चल दीजिएगा ये है बैकग्राउंड में
ऐसे?
अच्छा एक ऊपर ला के होल्ड कीजिए बस वन मोर
क्या बात है
मुझे यहाँ पे
मंदिरा जी सामने
जाओ मत जाओ
Yeah?
Feels
It's supposed to be flat or
This is better. Smooth upper balance. Yes. So breathing, special hands. Breathe out.
सर थोड़ा कवर हो रहा है एक लोग नीचे 16 का नहीं है खरा अभी कौन गया आगे ये गौतम खुद मेरे को पीछे पर खुद आ गई ना ऐसा ही है गौतम
Slightly chin up.
But is my form correct?
Chin up slightly. Otherwise fine. Yeah. As much as you go lean, smooth up.
And then there's this also, right?
Yeah. This is a press. This is a fly. Both this is press.
Yeah.
This is fly movement.
What I was doing, this
Yes.
was the
This
fly.
is a fly movement. Yeah.
अब यहाँ पे खड़े थे ना सेंटर में हम लोग पीछे देखो वाइट शर्ट सर आप थोड़ा पीछे चले जाइए
यहाँ पे सब लोग
एक्चुअली मुझे वर्कआउट का बहुत शौक़ है और मैं ख़ुद वर्कआउट करती हूँ। जब मैं जिम जाती हूँ ट्रेनर के बगैर वर्कआउट करती हूँ, तो मैं अपने मूव्स में अपने रूटीन में थोड़ी फंस गई हूँ। तो आज यहाँ आकर बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि बहुत अलग अलग किस्म के वर्कआउट्स को मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया। ज़ुम्बा भी था, बेली फिट भी एक्सपीरियंस किया मैंने। और ये जिम जो है ख़ास तौर पे फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग के लिए बना है, तो फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग मुझे बहुत पसंद है। तो मैंने बहुत सारे नए मूव्स आज सीखे और मज़ा भी बहुत आया। आई एन्जॉय वर्किंग आउट एंड इट वाज अ वेरी एन्जॉयबल मॉर्निंग फॉर मी।
फिटनेस की बात करें तो डाइट भी आता है, तो डाइट के बारे में
डाइट देखिए, ये तो जिसको भी खाना पसंद है उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल है टू कंट्रोल वंस डाइट। पर एक बात बहुत ज़रूरी है जो आपको हमेशा याद रखनी चाहिए कि यू कांट बीट व्हाट यू ईट। तो आप जितना भी एक्सरसाइज करें, अगर आप अपनी डाइट को कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते तो आपका सारा जो एक्सरसाइज, आपकी सारी जो मेहनत है वो बिल्कुल वेस्ट हो जाएगी। तो इफ़ यू कंट्रोल योर डाइट, यू नो, इफ़ यू जस्ट, इसमें कोई रॉकेट साइंस भी नहीं है। आप स्टार्ची चीज़ें ना खाएं, आप ऑयली चीज़ें, फ्राइड चीज़ें ना खाएं और आप स्वीट पर काबू रखें, तो आपका डाइट कंट्रोल में रहा। तो ये चीज़ मुश्किल नहीं है। विल पावर तो दिखाना पड़ता है, बट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर यू कांट बीट व्हाट यू ईट। तो आप जितना भी एक्सरसाइज करें, इफ़ यू डोंट कंट्रोल योर डाइट, इट अमाउंट्स टू नथिंग।
ये फिटनेस मंत्र है, फिटनेस मंत्र आपको कुछ वैसे कुछ और भी नहीं है?
हाँ जी, दिस इज़ माई फिटनेस मंत्र। वेल, मेरा जो मंत्र ये है, मैं एक्सरसाइज को सिर्फ अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए नहीं करती, मैं या अपने लाइफ में शामिल नहीं करती। आई थिंक एक्सरसाइज फॉर मी इज़ टू इवन कीप मी इमोशनली हैप्पी, स्टेबल, मेंटली फिट। तो मेरे लिए एक्सरसाइज बहुत ज़रूरी है, मेरे लाइफ का बहुत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हिस्सा है। और मैं बिलीव करती हूँ कि लोग बहुत एक्सक्यूज़ेस बनाते हैं कि टाइम नहीं है। मैं बोलती हूँ कि 24 आवर्स में अगर आप 7 घंटे सोते हैं तो बचे हैं 14 घंटे। अगर 14 घंटे में आप 45 मिनट्स अपने लिए नहीं निकाल सकते, देन आई थिंक दैट्स अ शेम, बिकॉज दैट मच यू शुड इन्वेस्ट इन योरसेल्फ। Well, I've got a couple of soap operas offered to me. मुझे वो लोगों को शादी के साथ कमिटमेंट फोबिया होता है, मुझे बहुत सारे डेट्स कमिट करने के लिए कमिटमेंट फोबिया होता है, क्योंकि डेली सोप्स में बात ये होती है कि आपको 25 दिन देने पड़ते हैं और मेरा छोटा सा बेटा है, मैं 25 दिन देने के लिए तैयार नहीं हूँ। तो आई एम जस्ट कॉन्templating 2-3 प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, बट आई हैव टू फिगर आउट विच वंस आई कैन गिव माई टाइम टू।
मेरा हाथ पूरा है। चले? हेलो। चेक हाथ पूरा।
Last challenge is about muscle talks basically, like there are so many gyms, कितने gyms हैं यहाँ पे?
Yeah, there are a lot of
special points. Hindi. What is
The speciality what we have is like we have a functional training and the CrossFit combination, and we have a lot of machines also. So by the time you can do your functional training also, your power yoga, dances. We have a lot of activities like Zumba, dance, Bollywood dance, Pilates. Now we are going to start belly dancing also. So a lot of form at one place. So you can choose your training what you can do it. Because it's been so many gyms, but they have the same kind of machines in the treadmill, so it's quite outdated now. People want to try for new thing. So I've been introduced with this functional and CrossFit training combination. We have a lot of trainers, other trainers like Pilates, power yoga, Zumba, a lot of dance like Bollywood dance and the cardio dance. So come enjoy different kind of workout, different kind of atmosphere. It's a personal training kind of studio. Like everyone, see what I have kept it here. When you go when you go to the other gyms, I mean, you'll have to take membership, and then there is no one to take care of yourself and to guide you about it. But here, what I kept it is like one trainer is always appointed with you, and he will guide you. Either it's personal training or either it's a group training. Because one trainer is there to monitor that what you are working out, you're doing right or wrong, whatever. So it's a nice place. Come enjoy.
Today Mandira had done few workouts.
Yes. She's got a fantastic fitness level.
How's your experience? And what more she need to improve and see?
she's great in flexibility. She has some knee issues, I know that. So accordingly, I maintain and her workout and all. But she just need to do a little bit of more strengthening for toning and all. Otherwise, weight-wise, fine. Flexibility is fine. There's no issue. Yeah, just a little bit more toning and strengthening.